Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit in stock. This one's stock number 14746. This is a 2019 Wells Cargo 8.5 by 20 plus V. This one is in a black color, as you guys can see. Nice big diamond plate rock guard along the bottom here for rock protection. Plus you've got an extended triple tube tongue, which is going to give you guys a good turning radius. This one does have a 7-foot interior height. You've also got an upgraded side door. This is the extra big 48-inch side door, does have a gutter, and we've upgraded that locking system as well. So you've got an RV lock and cam bar for double lock protection there. 250-200-pound axles with brakes on all fours and aluminum wheels and radial tires with Wells Cargo. You've also got 16-inch on center wall framing. Side vents with this unit as well. And this one is a car hauler, so it is set up for vehicles if needed. You've got a nice big rear ramp door here with a a transition flap and the spring assist close on your rear ramp door, so it is easy to open and close. Now you also have all LED exterior lights. This one also is equipped with 4 D-rings. You've got 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front, and then the awesome DryMax floor. So this product is a pressed board. It does not absorb the water or moisture. It is water resistant. Looks like particle board. It is not. It's an amazing floor. And then the bonus comes is that's also on the underneath side of the trailer as opposed to like a plywood. So much better. Upgrade there for longevity purposes for the use of your trailer. Now this one also has an escape door with that RV lock as well, and that's so you guys can pull your vehicles in here and open up your vehicles through that door and be able to get in and out much easier. You also have a dovetail here at the rear, so that means the floor of this trailer drops off 3 inches, and what that's going to do for you guys is give you a nice easy angle coming in and out of the trailer, especially if you have lower profile vehicles. Again, 7-foot interior height in this unit. You also have a 1-piece aluminum roof, couple overhead LED lights up there on top. There's those 2 additional D-rings with your side vent up there, so you guys are going to have a little bit of natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is great when you guys are hauling fuel. Now this one is a 20-foot plus 2-foot V, so you have 22 feet of total space from the tip of the V to the back of the ramp. And then here's the back side of that awesome side door. You've got a step coming in, back side of that lock gives you a lock-a-latch set of keys, and a toggle switch right there to turn on and off the lights. So here it is. Give us a call if you're in the market for a new trailer, 303-688-8485. Check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com. We're located in Castle Rock, Colorado. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state, and as always, we would love to earn your business.